This recipe takes 25 minutes to prepare and serves 2 people. Tender white fish fillets are marinated in a warm Indian spice paste, then nestled into a creamy, fragrant masala with coconut milk, tomatoes, and a bright squeeze of lemon. Cooked in the microwave, it delivers bold flavors: garlic, ginger, curry leaves, and a touch of chili, finished with fresh cilantro for a pop of brightness. It's creamy, spicy, and irresistibly comforting, perfect with steamed rice or Indian bread. Let's now check the ingredients. 300 to 350 grams firm white fish fillets, e.g. tilapia or cod. 1 tablespoon oil. 1 small onion finely chopped. 2 garlic cloves minced. 1-inch ginger, grated. 1 tomato, chopped. 1/2 cup coconut milk. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 1 teaspoon ground coriander. Salt to taste. 1 to 2 teaspoons lemon juice. Curry leaves optional. Fresh cilantro, chopped for garnish. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Pat the fish fillets dry and lightly score on both sides. Mix turmeric, chili powder, cumin, coriander, salt with a little lemon juice and oil to make a paste. Rub into the fish and marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. In a microwave-safe dish, combine onion, garlic, and ginger with a splash of oil and microwave on high for 2 to 3 minutes until soft. Add chopped tomato and curry leaves to the dish and microwave on high for 2 minutes to soften and blend flavors. Stir in coconut milk, adjust salt, and simmer for 1 minute in the microwave to create a sauce. Place the marinated fish fillets on top of the sauce, spoon some sauce over them, and cover the dish with a microwave-safe lid or wrap. Cook in the microwave on medium power, about 700 W, for 6 to 8 minutes, turning the dish halfway through for even cooking. Check doneness by flaking the fish with a fork. If not opaque, cook 1 to 2 minutes more. Finish with lemon juice and chopped cilantro. Garnish with extra curry leaves or chili if desired. Let the dish rest for 2 minutes before serving. Serve hot with steamed rice or Indian bread. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.